So officially on Icon of the Seas, I'm going into my stateroom. They actually have our rooms ready. So let's see what it looks like. And I do have a oceanside balcony. Come in. Nice. Looks like they gave us some nice little swag to first welcome us. Area is nice. Got some waters, desk area. Looks like a lot of storage. Sorry, I'm not showing storage. I'm not that big on the storage stuff. Nice mirror, check yourself out. Nice couch in here to kind of relax and lounge. And always my favorite part of sailing. Or maybe I didn't.